This is the ASL 2, Unit 9 vocabulary. The book includes some money-related signs. I'm not going to include those because we studied those last year. So, also, apartment, bank, part of the community, which we are studying, basement, bedroom, whichever is most comfortable for you. Block, as in a city block. Bus, also fingerspelled loan sign. Cabin, also fingerspelled loan sign. Cafe, there's another one. CL Claw 5 or Bent 5, remember we use these to show placements of buildings and that sort of thing, also used with mansion. Clinic, if you add the person ending it becomes clinician. Condominium, fingerspelled condo. Convenience store, you simply sign 7-Eleven. Corner. Curious. Different, if we're talking about a variety of different things, you sign it like this. And typically the non-manual signal accompanies it. Dining room. Sometimes you see it dining room, if the one is okay. Dormitory, a dorm at a college. Duplex, fingerspelled loan sign. East, there's also west and north and south. Elevator. Entrance, or to enter. Fire station, can also be firefighter. I've also seen this one. Floors and levels of a house. Also seen this one. Garage. It's a classifier CL3 hand shape. Gas station. To get in. To get out, if we're talking about getting in a car, a taxi, the bus, a subway, and to get off the subway, that sort of thing. Grocery store, eat store. Highway, highway with H's. Sometimes we use forehand shape when we're talking about a larger highway or freeway. Hospital with an H. Hotel, I sign hotel, but sometimes hotel. House, you should know that one. Hybrid, if we're talking about a car, it's fingerspelled. Intersection, jail. If we're talking about riding on the subway, riding on the bus, to keep going and going and going and going and going and going and going until you get to your stop or where you need to transfer to another line. Kitchen, or kitchen. I tend to use this one. Left, as in to turn left, or right, or something is on the left or the right. Living room, I tend to sign this one. We also see living room sometimes. I use this one. Lousy. Ugh, it's just awful. Lousy. Mall, fingerspelled. Mansion. Remember the non-manual signal is to show the size, to emphasize that. Mile, fingerspelled. Minivan, fingerspelled. Mobile home. More than a certain amount, that sort of thing. Museum. And some non-manual signals that we've talked about. And if we're talking about how close something is or how far something is right there, or it's an average distance, or it's way back there. Another non-manual signal that we've studied is the post office. Park is another sign that we've talked about. That's a lexical sign, a fingerspelled loan sign. Pharmacy is the medicine store. Police station, or police station can also be officer or cop. Prisoner, we already talked about. Jail, you add the person ending to make it prisoner. To ride in or on something, ride the bus, ride in a taxi. Stoplight, a stop sign. Studio, type of housing, also fingerspelled. Subway, or you can sign subway. I learned this one, so that's what I do. SUV, another fingerspell. To switch, to transfer. So when you need to change to another subway once you get to a certain subway station, that's what you would do. Taxi, also fingerspelled. Townhouse, TH. Traffic. Truck, lexical sign. Van, and so is zoo. Some other phrases that we've talked about. Your book calls this many mass. It means a lot of people or a lot of buildings. We would talk about maybe New York City is a lot of buildings, that sort of thing. Or around our school a long time ago, there wasn't very much, but now many houses, many buildings. One more phrase. What kind? It's a sign for kind. All you need to do is add the facial grammar to ask what kind. And that is your Unit 9 vocabulary.